Let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfiana with name 632504442. I am from the Accounting Study Program and I am a student at the University of Informatics in Development. In this video, I want to give a speech about change the bad habit. Today, I would like to talk about changing bad habits. Everyone has bad habits, such as being lazy, waking up late, or spending too much time on social media. If we continue these habits, they can affect our future. Changing bad habits is not easy, but we can start with small steps. We should manage our time well, be more disciplined, and replace bad habits with good habits like studying, exercising, and reading books. Remember, success starts from good habits. So let us change ours and become better people from today. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, I will explain the material on countable nouns. Countable noun. What is a countable noun? A countable noun is a noun that refers to object, people, or concepts can be that can be counted as individual units. These nouns have both singular and plural forms and can be used with numbers and articles, like a or an and the. Next example. First, I have a book and my dictionary. Second, she bought three apples from the market. In this sentence, book and apples can be counted, making them countable nouns. List of countable nouns. The table below shows singular and plural forms of common countable nouns. Nouns that can be counted with singular and plural forms. 1. Apple. 2. Care. 3. Fan. 4. Bottle. 5. Bag. 6. Brother. 7. Book. 8. Table. 9. Cup. 10. Chair. Next, countable nouns usually have a clear singular and plural form. Countable nouns are divided into two parts. Singular, one, care. Plural, chairs. Singular, table. Plural, tables. Singular, book. Plural, books. Singular, care. Plural, cars. Singular, apple. Plural, apples. Singular, dog. Plural, dogs. Singular, pen. Plural, pens. Next, countable nouns usually have a clear singular and plural form. Countable nouns are divided into two parts. 1. Singular noun. Singular here means a single object or only one. To make it easier to know that the object in question is singular or one, a singular object is given the prefix a or a. For example, one apple or an apple, and one flower or a flower. Next, two plural nouns. Plural nouns are multiple things or things that are more than one. For example, two glasses. Three kittens. Plural nouns are divided into two. First, regular plural countable nouns. Second, irregular plural countable nouns. Next, regular plural countable nouns. One adding "s", a singular noun adding "s" at the end of the word to form its plural. Example: cat becomes cat, book becomes books. Adding "s". Nouns that end in "s", "x", "z", "ch", or "ch" are added with "s". Example: books becomes books, with becomes with. Nouns and three nouns ending in "y" are changed to "is". Example: baby becomes babies, kitty become kitties. Next, regular plural countable nouns. One change of the letter F or V. Some singular nouns change F or V to V and add S to form the plural. Example: wolf becomes wolf, leaf becomes leaves. 2. Basic plural forms. Some plural nouns have forms that are very different from their singular forms. Example: woman becomes woman, child becomes children, tooth becomes teeth. And 3. Some singular and plural forms. There are nouns whose plural forms are the same as their singular forms. Example: fish say fish, sheep say sheep. That concludes my presentation and speech. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.